everyone. As we move forward in this course, it's going to be essential that you stay on top of your weekly class assignments. These assignments are your opportunity to apply what you've learned and also demonstrate your understanding of the material. In this video recording, I'm going to show you where to find the lab exercises and also talk about the due date and how much it is worth within your final course grade. For you to find the lab exercises, first you click on Module and then this page will open. Once it opens, you can click on Module Overview and this is the page that will open. However, you need to scroll down and once you do, you will find the lab exercises. This module only has 2 lab exercises, which are exercise 1 and 2. Another way for you to find the lab exercises is also within modules. If you look over here, you can see that module 1 lab exercises has a page, and once you click on this is the page that will open up and you can see your graded exercises listed here together with the practice exercise, which I will talk on a different video recording. There is even another way that you can find the lab exercises. You can click on quizzes, and when you do, this page will open up. Notice how you have assignment quizzes and another tab for practice quizzes. Within the assignment quizzes, those are going to be the graded assignments. And of course, the practice quizzes is where you're going to have the practice assignments. And there is a fourth way. You can also go through assignments. So we talked about modules, about quizzes, and now you can go through assignments. And when you click on that, you're going to see either past assignments, and you will also have another tab up here that now says undated assignments because there's nothing here. However, when you do have assignments that are due, this will say assignment quizzes, and here's where your graded assignments will be. Now the lab exercises, they open on Monday and they are due the following Monday. This means that you have a whole week to complete the lab exercises. In addition, you will have until Thursday to submit the assignment late for a 5% daily penalty. But keep in mind that you don't want to submit your assignment late every week. Therefore, I suggest that you place a calendar reminder on your phone that all lab exercises will be due on Monday. With regards to the weight of the lab exercises, it's going to be worth 40% of your final course grade, which is a big chunk of your final course grade. So again, make sure to put that calendar reminder on your phone so that you're up to date and that you don't miss any of the lab exercises. And again, if you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to contact me.